Hello YouTube, my name is Hugo Flores and I was just recording a video basically for my family so that whenever I get older and they'll have videos to look upon. So this should be a start to a pretty long vlogging thing. I kind of plan on vlogging, making a video every day, a 10-minute video, because that's what is allowed to be put on YouTube for me. But really, I'm just kind of trying to figure out something to talk about for 10 minutes. It's a pretty long time. But yeah, like I said, this video is just really for my family, so that when I get older and die, they'll have videos to look on and remember me by. And also maybe after I'm dead, I'll have some way of accessing these videos through telekinesis or something like that. So it's been about 1 minute now, and I'm not sure what else to talk about. I guess I could talk about the Bible or something, because I think my mom is at church right now. But really, I don't feel like talking about the Bible for my first video. Even though the Bible is a very interesting subject, the story of creation is pretty nice. But there's also lots of different stories of creation. So, one of the things I want to talk about is some of the games that I play online. I used to play RuneScape more than I do now. I haven't been playing it, but RuneScape is a pretty cool game. And I used to play World of Warcraft more than I do now. World of Warcraft is a pretty cool game also. And also played this one game that I'm trying to remember the name, but I can't remember it currently. It is... can't remember it. I have it here somewhere, but I can't remember it. So let's move on to some of the other games that I play. I just bought The Sims 3 recently, but I haven't been playing it that much. And I bought Fable the Journey, but I didn't really like it because it was like an on-rail game, and it was just all with Connect, and it couldn't go around, and it couldn't go good or evil. Oh, I don't think it could go good or evil, but I didn't really like it, so I returned it. The game that I want to get now is Halo 4. It's only like $30 or like $20 used, so that's good. Yeah, one of the things about me is that I was diagnosed with schizophrenia. So I take medicine for it. I take Zyprexa. But, I mean, it also made me gain weight. I used to weigh 130 pounds and now I weigh 180 pounds. So that's something about me that is felt like saying on this video. It's only been 4 minutes almost now. What else could I talk about? I don't know. I'm trying to think of what I'll talk about in tomorrow's video and stuff like that. But, yeah, like I said, I have schizophrenia. I don't really see things or hear things. But, I mean, I've been paranoid in the past. But I don't really hear things or see things that other people don't. But they still diagnose me with schizophrenia. Undefined, I think is this subtext. But yeah, this seems to be a pretty good video so far as just kind of getting information out there on the internet for my family, like I said before, and just really anybody that's interested in vlogging. Because I feel like I've been wanting to start a vlog for a while now. And now I can, because I'm using Debut video capture software professional, but it's unlicensed and it's non-commercial home use only. Once I save enough money, I'll probably buy it, but I don't have any money right now. So I've been kind of wondering where I can get a job, but I want to go to school also. So it kind of depends. There'll be like a zit or something right here. It's been like almost 6 minutes now, and I'm running out of things to talk about in this particular video. I don't know what I'm going to put in the subject box, probably just first video or something like that. But yeah, just this for my family, mostly. Family and friends, I guess. Just to have like a recording of me on there, like maybe every day, so that whenever I get older and die, they can look upon it and remember me, and remember some of the things that I like to talk about, and some of the things about me. Maybe even find out things that they didn't know about me before. But yeah, this seems to be a pretty nice video recording that I'm making for YouTube. Gonna put myself out there on YouTube. I mean, I do have a guitar and have an electric guitar, but I don't really know how to play it very well. I don't even know the chords. It's like G chord, C chord. I don't know if there's A chord. Might be A chord. My throat kind of hurts. Right now I'm just kind of waiting for my dad to get home so I can get a cigarette. I have an addiction to tobacco. But even though I was gone for like 7 months, so that kind of kept me from smoking, because I wasn't able to smoke where I was. I was in jail for 4 months, then at North Texas State Hospital for 3 months on an assault charge. But now that that's over, I'm glad to be home and making videos. 7 minutes going on 8 minutes now. Yeah, I don't know what I can make a video. I was thinking about maybe if I could get a book to talk about or something, or maybe talk about the Bible or God or creation or the universe, or just simpler things like everyday tasks like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, I don't know what my mom's gonna make me to eat today. I already ate yesterday, the same thing that she has for today, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure what she's gonna make today, but it's already 5:13, and she's not home yet. It's just me and my brother currently here. Just, and I mean, I don't know, I feel kind of worried that somebody might try to come and rob us or something, since they know that it's only me and my brother here. But I don't know, I'm just kind of worried about putting that on the internet. But I don't know, I'll just see how things go once I start recording more videos. I think I'm gonna make this video just like 9 minutes and something seconds, because I mean, it has to be like 10 minutes or under. I think that's all I get for YouTube. Alright, well, it was nice recording this video. Maybe I'll record another video today, or maybe hopefully tomorrow. Have a good one.